This will be an unboxing of the Asus ROG Phone 2. As you can see, finally got this in-house, ordered it the other day, and here it is. Take a quick look at the box, very unique packaging, etc. Similar to last year's actually. All right, so let's just go ahead and just get right into it. Get my blade and gotta break this seal. So this is the first time I'm looking at this phone. Have not seen this in person yet. So let's do it. Should get my genuine reaction. Okay, how do I open this box first of all? Oh, pull it out. That's what she said. There we go. Put that to the side, and then this, what is this? The fan unit. Put that to the side. Okay. Wow, super complex. Check this out. Not your typical unboxing. Got the red trim right there, black and red. Can't go wrong with that combination. So let's just figure this out. There's the phone, obviously, but what's this? Should be your accessories. That's, wow. This is complicated AF. And I don't want to damage the box, right? Here we go. Easy on the packaging. And what do we have in here? Wow, look at all this stuff that you get with this phone. My God. Okay, here we have the charging brick. Look at how big this is. Wow. See any specs on this bad boy? On this bad chicken? Oh, here we go. Here's the specs. See if you can read that right there. Some sort of fast charging, I'm sure. Put that to the side. This is your charging cable. Is it C to C? Let me take a quick look. Yes, it is. USB C to C, as you can see. Put that to the side, and actually, what's in here? Your pamphlets and stuff, or no? More accessories. Let's get all this stuff out. All right, what is this? Foot stand. Take a look at that. Okay, put that to the side. And these, I think these are for when you're not using like the second USB port. And this one, some sort of trim piece, or I think the foot stand, right? See this again? Foot stand. And yeah, you put this on the bottom of the phone. And that's how that works. Put that to the side. And then let's take a look at the fan. And all this stuff. And then this is the fan that connects to the device for additional cooling when you're gaming hardcore. Very nice design. Logo there, etc. Which I think this lights up. Headphone jack input, and then your USB-C. And take a look at the bottom right there, so how it goes into the phone. And then got a pad here, does not scratch up the device, and some specs, etc. Put that to the side, and then let's see. What's in here? Wow, super complex. Here we go, pamphlets and stuff. ROG Phone 2.0. Throw that to the side. And then some additional information. And then your SIM ejector tool. This is a case that comes with the device. Let's have a quick look at this. Open this bad chicken up, and then here we go. Check this case. Woo! Oh, look at this design. Let the light hit it. Look at that. Very nice. And then backside. A lot of angles here. Definitely has that kind of look, that kind of design. Pretty cool. Put that to the side. Okay, now where's the where's the phone? Here's the phone. And there it is. Whew. Anyway, here's the phone, and I think it actually turned on when I was playing with it. That's what she said. Anyway, let's get this bad chicken off. Back of the phone, as you can see. Is this, what is this? Is it a little additional sticker? Should I take this off? Yeah, I'm gonna take this off. This kind of looks grotesque. side, and here's the phone. Ooh, look at that. That design, very similar to last year's phone, except no fingerprint scanner. It is embedded in the display now. Logo, Republic of Gamers, your dual camera setup, flash, unique design here, gloss black finish, very nice. And looking at the front, you have your red speaker grills, top and bottom. And then let's see here. This is where your port is, where you plug in the fan. This comes off, you plug in the fan. SIM, this is your SIM tray. Bottom of the phone, USB Type-C mic, headphone jack. Very nice to see in 2019. Another mic. And then here, just some design element here. Power button, volume rocker, more design, another mic. A lot of mics on this phone. And that's it. You can see the phone's already on. And your front-facing camera over there. Very nice. Very nice to hold. I dig it. I dig it. Here we go, the phone's on. And we are in. All right, so let's just check out the type of Android that we get. Oh, I gotta change this language to English. Wow, okay, so we'll figure that out. Oh, look at this. It's all in Chinese. All right, I gotta figure out the language here. Oh, this might be a challenge. Okay, gotta figure this out. Give me a second. All right, so I figured out the language. So if you get your ROG Phone 2, you get the international version, it's Chinese, can't read it. So this is what you do, right? You go scroll down, look for the I symbol so you can see. See an I right there? Click on that. And then it's gonna be where it says Gboard on the bottom. This one, okay? Click on that. And it's the first option. Click that. And then here, so you can see English is the second one. All you gotta do is just do that. Make it number 1 option. Click on it, or I guess you don't have to. Just go back, and it's in English. So it took me a while to figure that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi. Turn this on. Let me put in my information. Let's test out the fingerprint scanner. Add fingerprint to unlock. And we'll hit continue here. And then we'll go ahead and do a fingerprint and pattern. And then here we go. Fingerprint scanner is in the display, so you can see it's right there. So let's just do it right now. 5%. Just moving my thumb slightly each time, and then 100% finished. There you go. Not too bad. So I'm gonna test it out right meow. Tap the screen once so you can see there's the scanner, lights up a little bit. Put your finger down and works. Do that one more time. And again, and then with the screen on the lock screen, nice and easy. We're in the display settings. I'm gonna set the sleep to about 5 minutes, just because that's what I like. And then system color theme, we're gonna leave it at dark, because dark mode for the win. And then here's the refresh rate. So when you go here, make sure you go at least 90 or 120 Hertz. I'm gonna go 90, so it's super smooth. And whoa, that is smooth. Now you can't tell on video since this is recorded in a different frame rate. Here's 120. Oh yeah, that is so smooth. Wow. Yeah, you can't tell on video, but yeah, that is super smooth. Wow, that's sick. That is sick. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at 120 actually. Or you know what, we'll go 90 just cause, yeah, even 90 is super smooth. Very nice. And then we'll go to system navigation, and then you have gestures, the virtual key navigation, which is stock, and then you have the swipe up on home button, which is similar to the Pixel. I'm gonna leave it to this one because that's what I like. Go like that. It's kind of like a Pixel. Nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and test fit the case real quick. And this should just like slide on. And have a look at this. Now, don't expect any drop protection with this case, but yeah, that looks pretty cool. It'll protect the corners, and you can still check out the phone. Very nice. And then we'll do a test fit on the fan. So then I believe, turn this off. I believe this just comes off, I think. Let's find out right now. First time I'm doing this. So this just comes off, you see? So we have two of the extra ones in the packaging I showed you earlier in case you lose that one. Here's the fan. There's the input right there. Just make sure you just line it up. So I'm gonna do that right now. Make sure you line it up like so, and then just press it in. And you can see this is how it's gonna look. So when you're gaming, the fan's not in your way, it's right in the middle of the device. And then you can still have a USB-C and the headphone jack here if you're playing with headphones. Give you an idea. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Really, that 90 hertz display, you can go all the way up to 120. Really makes a difference when you're playing games. Nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna turn up the volume a little bit louder here. The audio. Yeah, the audio on this, the dual speakers, excellent. Sound fantastic. And then when you're in the game, all you gotta do is go like this, and you can access your settings here in the Game Genie. So you can see, you have all these settings. You can lock the brightness, no alerts. So if you're playing, you don't get any alerts, you don't get interrupted. And also no calls. You get no phone calls, again, so you don't get interrupted. And then you have all these other settings here. Very nice. So the phone feels good to hold with this setup, with the case on, and also I do have the fan installed here. So you can see, feels good to hold, doesn't feel awkward or heavy or anything like that. So when you're gaming, yeah, this is a nice, yeah, this feels good in both hands right now. Pretty good. And then also the fan, put your hand over here, you can actually feel the air coming out of the fan. Pretty crazy. Going back to the settings, and then we'll go to the storage and memory. So out of the box, this is a 512 gigabyte version. You have 489 gigs available. So a lot of room to install a lot of games on this device. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Asus ROG Phone 2. Speed tests, gaming tests, camera tests, etc. versus the OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7T, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, iPhone 11 Pro Max, etc. Overall, I am digging this phone. Definitely a nice step forward from last year's phone. Fingerprint scanner is now on the display, etc. Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12 gigs of RAM on this bad boy. Android 9 with the Asus or the ROG Phone skin overlay, as you can see. Still retains a lot of similar design cues from last year's phone, but overall, a very nice step forward for this phone. I like it. I dig it. So let me know what you want me to do with this phone in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.